After the interment of our own, we did inter our own. I want to tell you, podi ramo anyakasani. I don't know when we will recover. Literally talk chueremo. But that is God's will. We cannot revert it. During that process, there's some observation that I made, and I want to put it across to all of you, especially Onage. Yeah? Muliona kama t-shirt zimeandikwa RIP. Ati t-shirt zimeprintiwa RIP. Jomoko kutimano. Nyinyi mtu wa Kisoeni mushatuweka na budget ya kuprint t-shirt RIP. Hiyo kuanzia leo muliona hakuna mtu aliandika t-shirt RIP. Dongno uneno gwangu. Second observation, when you are giving your tribute, tafadhali simama peke yako and give us a strong and courageous tribute. Muliona mtu ameshika mtu ati mwingine amesimama hapa, mwingine amesimama hapa, Geek Bendegoi, Okinya Uoyo. You saw kila mtu amesimama and give their tribute. Kojing. Number 3, hakuna kuanguka ovyo ovyo. Moral waro nyalobiro, mwingine anataka kuanguka kwa kaburi. Uneno kajo moko chanore kendo dimbore. I know it is hard to accept, it is painful, it is God's will, there is nothing we can do. I know how it is to lose a loved one. But accord funeral from today on the decorum it deserves. One last thing, muliona kwamba kama nitie, when this is available, the priest can be found even on Sunday. Even on Sunday. Sisi huko kwa Mathagrist, priest wanatuambiaga ati hatuwezi zika on Sunday, hatuwezi zika on Saturday. When this is there, priest anapatikana. Hiyo mulimake observation mukaona. Giyudo rega.